Hey guys, welcome back. I got a new Ninja WoodFire grill and we're going to give it a go for your first time.
Yes. Right, we found a bowl.
Yes, I'm very novice at it, so don't come for me, my American
Come
friends.
for him.
But I'm learning and I'm willing to learn. So
We also have what we have.
Yeah,
that is it.
Absolutely. So if you've got any recommendations or some really good grill, then please let me know because I would love to know and learn. But what we got for now is we bought 2 porks yesterday.
Yeah.
We're going for pulled pork.
Yeah.
Later, so I'm going to marinate them. We found a rub. Emma done amazing yesterday with.
I had to speak French.
Yeah, she's done amazing. I could not have done that. So fair play to you. Yeah, we're getting that marinated in the fridge. We're going to put that on maybe 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock-ish.
Yeah, I think it needs to be on for about 5 hours, right?
We think, but we're going to get a thermometer and go on obviously temperature rather than time.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's the plan, and then we're going to take it from there.
Yeah.
I can't wait.
Okay.
So how Chris crossed it, he has scored it a bit.
Yeah.
So hopefully it's going to go in.
Cool, and then we're going to pop that in that bowl.
Yeah.
And pop it in the fridge, right?
That's the plan.
Cool.
And I know that's really, really basic, and I know there's obviously way more, but that's what we've got at the moment. And hopefully that will just cook for 5 hours, 6 hours, whatever. And be a nice pulled pork later.
Well, hopefully.
Hopefully, that's the plan. We've been marinating a bit of pork. The idea is to do pulled pork. So I'm going to chuck it on now and let it do a business for a couple of hours. I got myself a thermometer, so we're going to cook not for time, for temperature. We aiming
80 it says on here. So we've got the thermometer linked to John's phone, and at the moment the lowest it can be is 52 and the highest is 80, so I think we want it at 80.
Okay, so we're going to go for 80, 85 then. I think it'll be fine. 90 won't be a problem because I read earlier 90, 95.
Okay.
So yeah, we're going to go for pulled pork. I would imagine, as a guess, it'll take 5 hours-ish.
Okay.
But yeah, just give us a go then.
So I guess first things first, we need to turn it on and put your pellets in and let it do its initiation.
Well,
right?
first thing first, yeah, is obviously it's a Ninja WoodFire. Got it for my birthday. It's amazing. I love it. First time I give it a go. I've done minimal research, so bear with us. This is a
trial and error
situation. I'm so excited. But if you do know, obviously it's an art form. So if you do any advice or anything, then jot it down below because I'm keen to learn.
Yes.
Right, let's go for it.
So that came with a 2 packs of the pellets.
Yep.
We're going to use this one today, the Robust Blend, because I think you go hard or you go home.
Absolutely. So yeah, I think you're right to say we need to do its initiation.
Well, you need the smoke in there first, don't you? So maybe put some pellets in.
Yeah.
So it comes with that and a scoop that's just there.
And it's not much pellets, I think. You don't need a lot, but you can replenish them
If they run out, yeah.
So keep an eye on it. So here's the pallets. Make sure you use the proper pallets. It doesn't have to be Ninja, but make sure you use proper cooking pallets rather than anything else. It's going to go in there. And you turn them on to smoke.
And then
Press start,
I guess just start. So now we wait while it heats up and it smokes.
Yeah, that could take a couple of minutes.
Okay.
But yeah, I think that's once it says begin to cook or something like that, I guess.
Add food, I think it says.
Okay, cool. We'll check the wheel on.
The little flame there means that it's smoking. So for the other settings, if you want to use the pellets, you have to hit this button.
Absolutely.
But
yes.
for smoking, it assumes you're going to.
Oh, so what's happening?
Oh. Just while this is igniting, I just want to. Our prong thing that connects to John's phone, our thermometer, it's got 2 prongs. We've got 2 bits of meat, so we're just going to stick one in each for this, but you could stick both in to get like a core temperature, couldn't you?
Absolutely, yeah, no, like you say, we got 2 lot of meat, so I wanted to do 10% of each. But yeah. All the research I have done, I've done minimal because I only got it yesterday. But I think thermometer is the way to go.
Yeah.
Because you don't want it overcooked, you don't want it undercooked. So yeah, I think everyone's saying get a decent one of these.
And we've got it now, so.
Absolutely, yeah. That smells amazing already.
Oh yeah. I thought that the smoke would come out of the top, but it's coming out of the side. It's coming out of everywhere. Okay, so now, those pellets smell so good.
They really do. I love it.
So we're gonna pop the meat on. I expected it to go, tss, and it didn't. I suppose that's the nice thing of it. It cooks it slow, so you get all that flavour.
It smells amazing.
Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna pop a prong in each. Don't pop the plastic bit in. Put one. I only.
That bit off.
Do you really? I wouldn't have done. Thank God John's here. Okay, stick it right in. Stick it right in. And then just close the lid.
I reckon so.
And there we go.
So the only thing is, when you open the lid, the counter stops.
Which is good.
What is amazing, yeah.
So now, online it says not to keep opening it to check it, because that ruins it. So now I guess we sit and hope that it's doing it.
Absolutely.
But
it smells amazing.
we can see on here.
I don't know which one's which.
Oh, one of them is because the meat is cold.
Yeah.
Oh, it smells delicious.
It does smell amazing.
Okay, we'll come back when we've cooked something.
Absolutely. Okay, so at temperature, it's been what, 2.5 hours?
3.5.
3.5 hours. I mean, at temperature, it is 99. So over temperature, 82. I think it's alternates from everyone. So at temperature for both. We did add more pallets. So yeah, I'm intrigued. It's ready to take it out now, I think. Let me get a bowl and we can take it out.
I don't know if you can see, but the prawns are at 99 and 82.
Yeah.
Which is pretty much perfect, I think.
It is bang on. I think anything from 80 to 90 we'll be happy with.
Yeah.
So yeah, if cooked, what's amazing, so you can get some utensils and we can take it out.
Okay.
Okay. Let's have a look at it. Have a look. Oh wow. That smells amazing. They say 84, 99, perfectly cooked. That's amazing. We should have tin foil, but we haven't got any. So you're gonna have to let it sit. Yeah, we haven't got tin foil, so we're gonna have to let it sit like that. We should wrap it up and let it sit. But we're gonna give it a while. No one's coming around yet, so
That's a good time to rest
you
it.
can have a rest and we pull it apart then.
It was so easy to use.
It was amazing. Amazing. Yeah, so easy, and it smells amazing.
Yeah, it does.
See what it's like to give it clean now. We'll give it clean because we are having a barbecue, so I should chuck some burgers and sausages on it as
Yeah.
well. But yeah, how amazing is that? I'm well happy.
Supposedly this is easy clean, and then the drip tray is easy clean too. So
Yeah.
we'll let you know.
Tin foil, I'd have wrapped it with tin foil, drip tray.
Yeah.
But I didn't have tin foil, I think we'll go back out again. But we had tin foil, and I'm hoping this won't ruin it. I'm going to wrap it down to marinate and rest. Worth a go. Just going to have it a little rest because we're working hard. I know, like I say, I normally wrap it with tin foil, but this is the best we've got. So hopefully it will be massive difference. Oh wow.
If you go that way. Yeah.
Looks amazing, doesn't it?
Does look good.
That is so much better than I thought it would be, didn't you? So tender.
Try a little bit.
Me?
Yeah. Sure, pork.
Okay.
Good. Okay, so how was your experience using the Ninja WoodFire for the first time?
It was really, really good. I think we just finished the pork, we just had everyone around, and I think that went down really, really well. Everyone liked it. The chicken was really nice as well. They're really crispy and bits and chicken.
Yeah.
The skin was lovely.
It's actually been requested for Christmas. We do a pork joint, so that's
yes, yeah, and it was really nice and easy.
Yeah.
I mean, like I said earlier, I'm not a professional. My first time using it, my first time grilling everything properly.
good. We can only get better at it as
Absolutely.
well.
So, like I said before, if you've got any advice or anything, then let us know, because, yeah, if that went down as good as that, then, I mean, I'd be intrigued to see what else we can do with it.
Yeah, we've got a tiny bit of pork left.
Yep.
So that's what, a joint and a half maybe gone.
Yeah,
So that's
yeah, it's
good.
not too bad.
Yeah, so if you're interested in a Ninja WoodFire grill, then I'll leave a link to them down below in our description.
Absolutely, I would recommend it. It was really, really good. Yeah, I really like it.
And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe, give us a thumbs up, hit the notification, and we'll see you in the next one.
Absolutely, thanks for watching, guys. Take care.
Bye.
Bye.